Lesson 2.2.1 Solving Linear Equations continues. In this video, we will determine the number of solutions. Determine if the equation has one solution, no solution, or infinite solutions. Show your work. So we're going to solve this like we were solving in the last couple videos. So the first thing we need to do is distribute the -2 to the x and get -2x. Distribute the -2 to the 5 and get -10. Then we're going to bring down the equals and the -6x. We have to distribute the 4 to the x, so plus 4x, and the 4 to the -2, so -8. And then we can combine like terms, so bring down the -2x minus 10. The -6x and the +4 gives me -2x. Since the signs are opposite, we subtract them and keep the sign from the larger number. And then we bring down that -8. Then I want to get the x's to be on the same side. So I'm going to add 2x to both sides. And you'll find that the 2x cancels over here, and we get -10. And the 2x cancels on the other side, and we get -8. And what we have left, -10 equals -8, is not true. So we have no solution. Which means that no matter what we plug into x in this problem, we won't find anything that makes both sides equal to each other. So I'm going to go ahead and pause it, and I want you to try number 4 on your own, and then you can unpause it when you're ready to check your answer. So on 4, first thing we had to do is distribute the 2 to the x and the 2 to the -4, and then we distributed the 3 to the x and the 3 to the -2. Then we were able to combine the like terms by adding them since the signs are the same and keeping them negative since they were both negative. Then we needed to get the 2 to the other side so that we have a positive x. And then to get x by itself, we had to add 8. 8 cancels on both sides, but that's okay because the x is still in the problem and we get x equals 0. And with this means that there's one solution. One solution is always there when there is an x left over. The only case that we didn't talk about is if we solve and we get something like 8 equals -8 or -8 equals -8. This is true, and we would say infinite solutions. And with that, that is how you determine if the equation has one, no, or infinite solutions.